Are you interviewing?
Sorry?
Are you interviewing for the position?
Oh, yeah. Why are you?
Yeah.
My competition.
It would appear.
Yeah, so... a little awkward.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you, don't get the job.
Well, I hope you don't get the job. Have I seen you before?
I don't think so.
Do you ever go to Angela's Plaza?
Yes. That's like my favorite spot in the city.
Okay, except for the parking lots, but...
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I think I've seen you there.
But
Yeah.
I haven't seen you.
You must not have been looking.
Sorry, I just left, can I... Hey.
You again?
Yeah, I, was just wondering if maybe after this, if, you... want to get some coffee or something?
I'm sorry, I'm sort of supposed to meet someone after this.
Okay.
Sure.
What's that?
Why not?
Okay, well then I'll just, I'll wait for you.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out. My name's Tom.
Nice to meet you. I'm Autumn.